My name is Gergely Tolnai. I'm responsible for the business development of a global Swedish organization. I'm responsible for Europe. We have one of the largest, actually the largest factories of ours in Hungary. In this factory we are manufacturing very complex products with very low tolerances, in several cases in clean room technologies. Recently we won a very big tender. We have to manufacture hundreds of millions of products. These products are made by several parts and we have to assemble these parts. And we realized that we need a digital twin for being able to manufacture all these parts, for being able to monitor our manufacturing, to be able to maintain the building and the technologies. And that was the point when we contacted OrthoGraph. OrthoGraph gave an offer that our management decided to accept, and we ordered the digital twin solution. The job was done on time, and we were really surprised when we realized how accurate and how professional this digital twin is. And then we got even more surprised when we realized that OrthoGraph is able to provide us an AI-based maintenance technology. It became very interesting when QR codes on the maintenance points. This is very good to have the unique identification of all the maintenance points, because first of all we are able to identify where are the critical maintenance points. We are able to support the person who has to do the maintenance. We are able to support them to make the work on that particular maintenance point where it is needed, so there are no mistakes possible. Furthermore, we are able to measure the job done, how long does it take, and we are able to invoice the real amount of work. And with OrthoGraph, we are able to back up these people to find these maintenance points as fast as possible. Now, regarding the AI-backed maintenance software technology, these people are not only finding the right point to be maintained, but also they get support from the AI of what to do, how to open the specific item, how to repair it, where is the screw that they have to fix, and so on. This technology is very special because the maintenance person is able to talk to the machine itself through the OrthoGraph AI Maintenance. It's possible to find the history of the repair, and it's supporting the person to repair the item as the technological description says. So we realized that with this technology we don't need to have people who are experts in our factories, but we can have people who are not deeply related to our factories, because first of all with OrthoGraph they can find the right spot to the job where the job needs to be done, and then thanks to the AI there will be a very great support for them what to do exactly when this maintenance job has to be done.